Okay, my friends, I'd like to congratulate you first of all because you have followed my lead and the lead of a lot of members, the majority of them, and you've watched the welcome video. You've clicked step 1 and done that. You've clicked step 2 and followed that. Same with 3, and now we need to do step 4, and then you can have a look at the income streams, although I have been showing you a little bit. But that's up to you. So now on this page, and this is what my page looks like. Okay, if I click on there, you will see one missing. Okay, and I need to add one on here. So let me just do that. Let's go down here. There should be a placeholder somewhere to add one more video. Oh, pending. Delete the banner. Okay, so it's pending. So delete the banner, and I'm going to show you now how to add it. Okay, so what I need to do is to go and fetch. Let's see now. Let me do Buildabizonline. So I'm going to click on here. Now, whatever you do, don't you do this. But I'm going to right click on there. I'm going to open it up in a new tab. Okay, so that is here. Now, these banners are far too big. We need a 125 times 125. So we've got one here. Okay. Now, I've taught you how to find the address, the URL of an image online, and that is to hover over the top, right click, and then click, where are we? Copy the image link. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to go back over here, and we're going to put that goes into that box. Okay, and I know my affiliate ID, but what I'm going to do is go back over to here, and you can see it there. Look, there's my affiliate ID. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to come over here, and I'm now going to paste it into there, and that's it. So this is now ready for my approval. Now, the reason I do that is because some people add some spurious things, and it throws all the page out. So I need to now pause this video and go and activate that banner. So I'll be back in a second. So you can see that I've just okayed that, and so what I'm going to do is now go here, and I'm going to refresh this page, and there you will see it in that placeholder. So refresh the page, and it moves about. I forgot to tell you that. I thought I filled all the squares, but now that the great thing about this, every time you do refresh the page, they all move in different places just to keep it fresh. Now, the great thing about this page also is it has got another call to action. It's got two. One for people that you promote this to come and join you here at Buildabizonline and get a page like this. And they can if they upgrade. Okay, and you can do that for as little, if you've never done it before, never seen the tools, never tried them, you can do that for $1 today. So send me a ticket and I will sort that out. And another call to action, if they're not interested in this but they want to have a look at some more, so they click on there and it takes them to my programs page. Okay, so what you could do is have this page for promoting traffic programs, and your programs page, which I always say to put your primary earning programs on. How about that? So that is how you add your button banners, your 125 times 125 button banners, some people call them, onto your 10 banner splash page. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.